Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to apply for a UK private medical treatment visit visa for 2024. Whether you're seeking specialized treatment or advanced medical procedures in the UK, this video will walk you through each step of the application process. Make sure to watch till the end for important tips to ensure your application is successful. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check eligibility. First things first. You need to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the private medical treatment visit visa. Here's what you need. Medical condition. You must have a medical condition that requires private medical treatment in the UK. Treatment arrangements. You need to have made arrangements for consultations or treatment in the UK. Financial stability. You must prove you have enough money to pay for your treatment and support yourself without relying on public funds. Intent to leave. You must demonstrate that you intend to leave the UK at the end of your treatment. Step 2. Gather required documents for applying. Gather all necessary documents. Passport. A valid passport or travel document. Medical proof. Documentation of your medical condition and the need for treatment, such as a letter from your doctor or hospital. Treatment confirmation. Proof of your medical appointments or treatment details in the UK. Financial evidence. Proof of sufficient funds to cover the cost of treatment and living expenses. Accommodation details. Information about where you'll be staying in the UK. Travel itinerary. Detailed travel plans. Home country ties. Evidence of ties to your home country, such as employment, family, or property. TB test results. If you're from a country where a tuberculosis test is required.
Step 3. Complete the visa application form. Head to the official UK government website, gov.uk, and fill out the visa application form. Make sure to fill in all the details accurately to avoid any delays or issues. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. The next step is to pay the visa application fee online. For a standard visitor visa, the fee is usually around £100. Check the latest fees on the gov.uk website to be sure. Step 5. Book an appointment at a visa application centre. After completing your application, you'll need to book an appointment at a visa application center to provide your biometric information, fingerprints, and a photograph. Step 6. Attend the appointment and the day of your appointment. Bring all your required documents, including your passport, completed application form, and proof of payment. Make sure to arrive on time and well prepared. Step 7. Wait for a decision. Once you've submitted your application and biometric information, it's time to wait for a decision. You can track your application status online. Processing times can vary, so it's best to apply well in advance of your planned travel date. Step 8. Receive your visa. If your application is approved, your passport will be stamped with the visa. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Step 9. Prepare for travel. Before traveling to the UK, make sure you have all relevant medical documentation, proof of your medical appointments or treatment, evidence of sufficient funds, travel insurance to cover any unexpected medical expenses. Additional tips. Visa validity. The visa is typically valid for up to 6 months but can be extended if you need further treatment. Seek legal advice. If you have any doubts or complex issues, consider consulting with a UK immigration lawyer. In conclusion, applying for a UK private medical treatment visit visa may seem daunting, but with careful preparation and attention to detail, you can navigate the process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Safe travels and best of luck with your treatment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.